as you can see, I've become a superhero. I am the Tape Man. I can wrap a person in just one swipe of my hand. Well, taking advantage of the fact that I've become the Tape Man, today I've decided to weave a clear tape spiderweb. Let's go. The frame for the web is ready. Now we just need to create the web itself. But since we'll be moving on it, we'd like it to be strong. To make a strong web, we need to know the strength of the clear tape. First, let's find out how much weight a single layer of clear tape can bear. Let's try lifting a 5-liter bottle of oil, which weighs 4.6 kilograms. 4.5 kilograms are actually lifted quite easily. Let's try lifting 10 kilograms. It holds! Now, let's see how many layers of clear tape it takes to support an actual person. Ow! 8 layers would definitely hold. Anyway, I'm getting tired of this. The web is not ready. We've been working on this web for about 30 hours. So far, we've only built the frame and 1 layer. It should have 4 layers. What can I say? We're in trouble. So I don't even know if it's worth experimenting. But I am an experimenter, right? So we're going to go ahead and try it out a bit. Let's see if we can climb on it. For now, it's not very reliable. So, a bit more work is needed. I think we'll finish about in a week. Let's go. Honestly, making 10 layers of clear tape every time is incredibly slow, tedious, and it really annoys me. So while the guys were rolling tape, I came up with an invention. Ta-da! Well, there you have it. They look like regular wooden discs, but in our case, it significantly speeds up the process. We put tape on these little discs. Now let me show you how it works. In the end, to make a 5-layered tape, I simply pass this thing approximately for 10 to 15 seconds, and it's all ready. And for the guys to create a similar line, it takes about 10 minutes each. So, cool. Technology. I can't. This is so annoying already. We've spent so much time on this. So be sure to like, subscribe, and all that's possible. All inclusive, my friends. And I don't see the point in delaying, so let's go straight to the web. It would be really great if it collapses right now. We already have 4 layers here, and I think they should hold me. tough. Honestly, I thought it would collapse. Amazing. This is a genuine spider web. And in this case, I'm the spider. Of course, it won't hold me completely right now because this tape honestly isn't that sticky. But at least like this, I'm very curious how many people it can actually support. Will it hold anyone else besides me? But we'll find that out a bit later. For now, let's try throwing various objects onto this web and see what can stick to it. We're going to start by tossing this broom. Woo-hoo-hoo! As you can see, the web works wonderfully. On the very first try, the broom got stuck. Okay, I won't lie. I made about 30 attempts, and only then did it get stuck. So I have this sneaking suspicion that it's really not meant to catch anything. But you can climb on it. Still, we're going to try throwing things at it anyway. Let's try tossing a bottle of Coca-Cola. Maybe it'll get stuck, who knows? Second victim! You know, for some reason, I feel like the spider webs don't actually stick to their victims. They somehow entangle them. So, in principle, our web, you could say it actually works. And now, let's try and throw a chair. Hooray! Ha! All right. No! Okay, got it. If you try, you can throw it in such a way that the object will stay there. So we can move on to the next experiment. So what do spiders do? They either weave a web, or eat, or hunt for food. We already understood what it's like to be a spider, but what's it like to be a fly? Now that would be really interesting. I won't be a fly today. But Alexei has gladly volunteered.
I've been Alexei my whole life, and now I'm a fly. Let's go.
Catch. Ah.
Well, here we go, I guess. Oh!
Let's just go ahead and put it on.
I'm gonna be upside down.
As always, per tradition, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3!
Whoa! Oh! 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 I could barely realize anything at all. I just knew that I was very scared when I flew. I just don't know what to say. I'm speechless. Because it was super scary. But I think that's 10 out of 10, right? Or is it?
We've tested the strength of this web quite well. We've thrown objects on it, climbed it ourselves, and we've tossed Alexei in there. But now, it is time for something truly deadly, at least for the web. We're gonna play a nice game of web tag. The guys have about 5 seconds to get onto the web, and in those I catch, I'm gonna wrap them up in tape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The spider goes hunting. And that's the first one. Now for the next one. Who's next?
That feels unusual, right?
Well, this is...
Crap.
Guys, this is dangerous.
Oh no! Are you afraid? Hold still! I have 2 more flies in front of me and a very unstable web.
Yeah, you're right.
Whoa,
Whoa.
what's going on? It seems like I've got tape where it doesn't belong. All right, you little flies, come here. Damn it. Ooh. Whoa! I got you.
Who's burping there? What's this about?
They tied me up with the web. It's really hard for me to stay here. It's a disaster.
Overall, since I've caught everybody, I can wrap it up from the ground. Honestly, I'm tired of climbing this web. It's incredibly unstable, and you have to balance all the time. And in general, the tape sticks to your hands, and it's awful.
Get me out of here! I don't care anymore. I'm just tired.
Now we can start catching the next fly, the last one.
Woo!
Come here, fly.
Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Hey there, Spider-Man.
Ow! Oh! Yeah, woo!
That's it. I caught it. Woo!
I believe it.
Oh, this is tough. Let me rest, please. Can I? I'll just lie down here.
Ooh! Well, that was inevitable. I held on longer than everyone. Flies are quite advanced nowadays. They can't go anywhere without the internet.